market vendor taught me this trick. Just add lard to flour and be amazed. Let's start by adding a cup of flour to a bowl, then make a well in the center. Next, we'll add lard. I'm using bacon fat here. I'll add about 1 to 2 tablespoons and mix it in thoroughly. Season with a pinch of salt. Then gradually add water until we reach the right consistency. At this point, we'll start mixing with our hands. Now transfer to the counter and knead lightly until smooth. Let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. After resting, take it back to the counter and roll it out. Now cut it as you like. I'm using a lid to make several round cuts. You can repeat this, use plastic to separate, and refrigerate or freeze. You can use small amounts whenever you like. Now let's move to the counter and roll out the dough. Add your preferred filling. I'm using mozzarella, then seal it with a fork. After that, fry it in hot oil until golden brown. Look how amazing this pastry turns out, quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.